Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. In this one, we need to find about complementary solution and particular solution. So for the first one, I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of lambda s, you got lambda. And now we go to second the derivative of yc equals to lambda square e to the power of lambda s. So because this is about complementary solution, so we put this one equals to number 0. So we just have only y and second derivative of y. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. Now we can do about factorization by e to the power of lambda s. So we have lambda square plus 1. So we need to find the solution of this one. And now I will put number 1 go to the right. And now we put the square root for the both sides. So we have lambda equals to I and lambda equals to negative I. Because the square root of negative number 1 equals to I. This is about the complex numbers in here. So for this one, we have yc equals to c number 1 e to the power of lambda s. So we have is, and we have c number 2 e to the power of negative is. So this is the first one. Now let's go to particular solutions. We know that cosine s squared, that is about cosine 2s plus 1 over 2. So this one we have 1 over 2 cosine 2s and 1 over 2. So about yb, I need to put about a cosine 2s, b sine 2s, and c, that is about the constant. So if we do first the derivative of yb, we have negative 2a sine 2s, and we have 2b cosine 2s. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. And now we go to second derivative of yb. This one we have negative number 4a cosine 2s. This one we have negative 4b sine 2s. Because we just have second and original function, so in this situation we just select about this one and this one. So if we simplify, so we have negative 4a plus a, we have negative 3a in here. Negative 4b plus b, we have negative 3b in here. And the next one we have c. So this one equals to this one. So we just have cosine 2x, that means negative 3a equals to 1 over 2. This one we don't have sine 2x, so b equal to number 0 and c equal to 1 over 2. So this one we can find the value of a. So we divide both sides by negative number 3 and we have negative number 1 over 6. And now we have yb equals to negative 1 over 6 cosine 2x, and we have 1 over 2 in here. And now we have the final answer. So we have yc plus yb equals to this one and this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.